Reality. The world or the state of things as they actually exist, as opposed to an idealistic or notional idea of them. Number one, a thing that is actually experienced or seen, especially when this is grim or problematic. Fact, actuality, truth, verity, V, letter victory. Number two, a thing that exists in fact, having previously only existed in one's mind. The real world, real life, actuality, truth, physical existence, corporeality, substantiality, materiality. Number two, three. The quality of being lifelike or resembling an original. Mahirap na. Verisimilitude. The letter victory. Verisimilitude. Verisimilitude. Authenticity, realism, fidelity, faithfulness. 4. Relating to reality TV. Relating to reality TV. Number 4. Alright. Nouns. No. Number 1. The state of actuality or fact. The state of actuality or fact. Although I'm all in favor of living as adventurously as possible, some fantasies don't combine well with reality. Actuality, existence, materiality, fact, realness, subsistence, substantiality, practicality, case, certainty, thingness, THINGNESS, truth, deed, deed, fact of life, substance, actual fact, brace tacks, real fact, FACT, straight stuff, matuwid ng mga bagay, incident. Number 2, noun. The lifelikeness of the thing that is being imitated or created. The subject is contextualized into a social reality that includes narrativity as a totality. Realism, representationalism, resemblance, truth, identicalness, likeness, model, parallelism, reproduction, semblance, authenticity, fidelity, faithfulness, naturalness, telling it like it is. Number 3, noun. The way in which things exist in real life. Fiction and reality were increasingly blurred. Existence, realism, tangibility, actualness, being, being, entity, individuality, palpability, perceptibility, real life, absoluteness, concreteness, matter, presence, physical existence, animation, animateness, essence, embodiment, validity, truism, solidity, existing, certitude, materialization, integrate personification, accuracy, distinction, real nature, continuation. 4. Noun. The way in which an individual perceives his world. His reality was significantly different from mine. World, existence, life, thing, object, commodity, individuality, existent, integer, body, mass, person, matter, phenomenon, fact, concreteness, tangibility, shape, weight, structure, constituent, ingredient, organism, article, presence, creature, singleton, item, subsistence, stuff, piece of matter, life form, real thing. Alright, another form of reality. Reality and this section, palpable or reality or palpable. Palpable, conspicuous, blatant, open, manifest, evident, visible, plain, salient, salient, unmistakable. Tagalog, power thesaurus, Tagalog. Katotohanan, katiyakan, pagiging tunay, paghatol, totoong mundo. Mga katotohanan, katumpakan, katiyakan, totoo, pag-iral, pagiging ganap, pagiging positibo, totoong buhay, tunay, talaga, pagiging paniniwala, pagiging makatotohanan, tiyak, sitwasyon, sangkap, ebanghelyo, katawan, mundo, konklusyon, bisa, kahalagan, kakayahang mahawakan, katapatan, materialidad, katapatan, katotohanan, physical na pag-iral, mga pag-iral, kababalaghan, physical, pagiging konkreto, o totoo, pagiging totoo. English opposites. Dream, fantasy, fancy, F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. Fiction, imagination, illusion, hope, idea, falsehood, apparition, idealism, myth, fable, notion, sham, S-H-A-M, sham, pretense, hallucination, falseness, legend, fairy tale, romance, pipe dream, castle in Spain, image, mind's eye, possession, supposition, inkling, conjecture, yarn, deception, forgery, counterfeit, hoax, unreality, cyberspace, daydream, flight of fancy, wishful thinking, space, chimera, strategy, pretext, 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 conception, abstraction, impression, theory, hypothesis, conceptualization, view, belief, cogitation, generalization, postulation, clue, 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 opinion, conceit, presumption, feeling, scheme, mental picture, visualization, assumption, speculation, forecast, hunch, guess, allegory, story, tale, saga, tall tale, tall story, fabrication, pretense, simulation, imitation, fake, fraud, bogusness, complete fake, downright counterfeit, space, escapism, sentences, reality. Reality is a sliding door. Reality is neither good nor bad, it just is. Reality is nothing but a collective hunch. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Without an adequate theory, without an, ad, without an adequate theory, reality is irrelevant. Right now, for them demons were as much a part of reality as trees were. For them demons were as much a part of reality as trees were. A reality show. But reality doesn't match official rhetoric. But reality doesn't match official rhetoric. But the reality is even stranger. Child labor is a reality in Child labor is a reality in Niger. Reality can hit quickly. Regrettably, the reality remains different. Suddenly, the reality of war started to impinge. The, that is the eco- that is the economic reality facing us. That is the economic reality facing us. The reality had also been disregarded. That's the reality of everyday life. The frightening reality is that storage remains insecure. They must be able to assess reality accurately. This does not correspond to reality absolutely. This reality affects every dimension of society. Violence is a pervasive Violence is a pervasive reality for children and families.